Okay, what's up everybody? Pichu Power here. LightningHoundoom wanted to do a pack battle, so we got Lost Thunder. These are the only Lost Thunder packs I could find. We're in these like pre-release boxes. So I'm gonna take 7 out, which is all the packs except for one. And there's some other stuff that comes with these, but we're only counting what comes in the pack. And it's just me here tonight. Atea is not joining us, so that comes with them. I've gotten 2 of these already, and I've only gotten the Lele. So there's a Suicune. It's a nice little bonus, but it's not counting towards the pack battle. LightningHoundoom, don't worry. I couldn't find any single packs. I went to Target and I went to two different GameStops as well. Oh sweet, 2 Suicunes. So 2 Suicunes and 2 Leles. So we'll just take this one out. I tell you, I could open that one later or something. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Lost Thunder packs. Here we go. Code card. Aridos. Moo Milk. Vespi Queen. Chansey. Trico. Picky Peck. Scyther. Stunfisk. Reverse Wobbuffet. And he is a rare, so it's a point. So the hollow rares, even if they're reverse hollows, are a point. EX cards are 2 points, full arts are 3, rainbow rares 4, and secret rares are 5. I hope I said that right. I know the point system. It's in our messages between me and Lightning. So, another green code card. Uh-oh. It's not looking good for me. I think Lightning got something out of every pack, except for the first one he did. He only got a regular reverse hollow out of the first one. Reverse Chikorita. And then Granbull. Not looking too good for me, Lightning. I know you pulled some really good cards. You pulled some really good full art. And a Prism Star, a hollow, reverse hollow. The full art cards were absolutely awesome. If you haven't seen this video, go check it out at LightningHoundoom on YouTube. Okay, so we got a Fighting Energy, Heracross, Pinsir, Memory Energy, Houndour, Cutiefly, Chinchou, getting all excited, Hoppip, Picky Peck, Reverse Popplio, and a Victini regular rare. So it's 3 with nothing. 4th pack. So, Psychic Energy, Stantler, Kolava, Jurfig, Chikorita, Hello Meowth, Yanmask, Jigglypuff, Mareep, Reverse Meryl, and then a hollow Tapu Koko. That was one of the hollows that Lightning had pulled. I think it was a reverse hollow. It's a really cool card. Water Energy, Alolan Doug Trio, Pinsir, Choice Helmet, Tangela, Nincada, Chinchou, Marini, a reverse uncommon Zatu, and then a hollow Chandelier. Last 2 packs. Yeah, 3 points. I need 9 more to win. So I would need a Rainbow Rare and a Secret Rare out of these last 2 packs, or 2 Secret Rares to win. And that's not gonna happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. LightningHoundoom had got some really good pulls. Stanley, Kolava. So yeah, I think he won this one. Little Diglett, Trico, Chansey, Reverse Grovyle, and a Tangrowth. You're gonna get nothing out of 2 boxes? Maybe that pack I took out has got something in it. Maybe I should just open it up too, since there's like nothing out of all of these. Nothing. 3 hollow rares, one of them being a reverse. Okay, so Dark Energy, Go-Go, Shuckle, Alolan Doug Trio, Trico, Pikipek, Scyther, Stunfisk, Chikorita. Oh, holy crap! Dude, that is so cool. Reverse Scizor. Nice. And then Ninja. Alright, Lightning, that was it for me, man. If you haven't checked out his video, check it out at LightningHoundoom. Thanks for the pack battle, man. I got an awesome Scizor out of there. That is so cool. So just to recap for the battle, I got 4 points. He had 12 points. He pulled some really good cards. So Chandelure, which is really cool. I don't have that artwork yet. Scizor, I don't even think I have. I have 1 Rainbow Rare Scizor from this set, but I don't have this one. I think this one's way better. Wobbuffet, Reverse Rare, and Tapu Koko. Alright, I'm going to open this last pack just for the heck of it. I got 8 packs. I'm going to open this last one. Lost the battle. I admit it. Let's see if we could get anything. No, another green code card. It is insane. What's in here? Reverse Dedenne and a Dedenne in front of him. That's crazy. Nothing really that great, man. So, that's it for this video. Catch you guys next time. Get your power.